What is going on, everybody? It is Mr. Fix. Like, I changed her name before. It was Yanos, but I changed it now because I needed to. Because I had my old account. I used to do game videos. So yeah, I changed it. It's like 8:38 in the morning, and I'm doing a video because I got nothing else to do. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix like the screen overlay thing when you when you're when you need to grant permissions to other apps. So let's say you're in, wait, let me look for something I haven't used yet. Okay guys, I found something. I think it's in Sound Recorder. Oh yes, here it is. Okay, it's not gonna happen. Wait, let me see. Oh, here it is. See, look, it's a screen overlay detected. Wait, so it's a screen overlay detected. Just change version settings. You just go to turn off the screen overlay. Then you go to open settings. Let's go to the thing and find it. Sound recorder, here it is. See how it won't let me turn it on. I want you guys how to fix this. So the first thing you're gonna want to do, sorry about that, the video stopped because I tried to clear it. So this thing is recording my audio right now, and the screen recorder is anything that's open in here. So I clear it, and I'm pretty sure with the screen recorder, you're gonna have to you're gonna have to uninstall any you're not gonna have to install it. You're gonna have to force stop it probably. You're gonna have to clear anything that's open, and then clear everything on top to do it. Cause you can't have anything open that is going in front of that. Cause you're trying to change on the audio, even though something else is already using the audio. So you're gonna have to clear your recent tabs. You're gonna have to clear everything up here, and it should work. And if it doesn't, please leave a comment down below, and I will make another video on it. And I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it helped. And please leave a comment down below if you really want me to do next. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Oh yeah, and if you guys haven't seen yet, I added my intro. Yeah. It's cool, huh? Yeah. So, yeah. Kind of good. Fix it.